Hello everyone, Ranjitha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very quick project of a MDF tag or a fridge magnet. You can customize it according to your wish by adding pegs or small clips to hold your notes and photos onto it. Here I am taking an MDF based fridge magnet base and then dabbing over some chalk paint. You can also replace the chalk paint with regular acrylic paint. I've chosen colors of yellow and blue for my project. So here I am quickly coloring my MDF tag with yellow chalk paint. Since I'm using chalk paint, I'm not priming my MDF with a white acrylic or gesso. Once I'm done painting it with chalk paint, I'm giving it a quick dry with my heat gun. Next I'm taking some modeling paste and then carefully applying this modeling paste. You can also use any texture paste or glitter paste. I'm applying a thin layer of it over my stencil. The stencil is from iCraft. You can use any stencil according to the theme you wish to make your fridge magnet with. I'm applying a thin coat of texture paste or modeling paste onto this base. You can customize this fridge magnet according to the supplies you have available in your stash. Like I said, you can replace this texture paste with glitter paste or any other medium. Now that I am done stenciling, I am giving it a quick dry so that I don't smudge my texture paste while applying other mediums or elements. I do not have a matching cardstock in the shade of blue, so what I am doing is I am taking some white cardstock and sponging over some blue ink onto it. Here I am using Distress Oxide ink in the shade Mermaid Lagoon. This is a quick tip you can use when you do not have matching cardstock. You can take your white cardstock and just randomly dab over some ink so that you get a shaded cardstock of your choice. Here, like I said, I am dabbing over ink, and next I will be using this flourish die to cut over some flourishes from this shaded cardstock. Now I am adding the elements onto my textured and colored fridge magnet base. Like I said, I've chosen colors of or shades of yellow and blue for my project. I'm also using some die cut or handmade leaves as my elements. You can also make these elements by yourself, but I wanted a very quick project, so I chose to use ready-made handmade flourishes, leaves and flowers from my stash. This is a very quick project you can make with handmade supplies that are readily available in many craft stores. I just wanted to add some more texture and interest to my fridge magnet base. So here I am taking this paper doily and dabbing over some yellow ink onto it to add a little hint of color, and then I will be adhering it onto my fridge magnet base as a background for the flowers and leaves that I will be attaching onto it. This is a very simple mixed media project that I am demonstrating here. In mixed media you can explore with different mediums, textures and materials, and you can use whatever is available in your limitations and use them to make your own home decor projects. Here I am using Mod Podge to adhere all my elements together. Make sure you use a suitable glue to adhere all your elements onto the base. Once I am done adhering all my leaves and flourishes, I am cutting off the excess paper doily and other elements along my fridge magnet base so that there is smooth edge and there are no excess elements hanging around. I had these metallic stickers, so I am pasting the word dream here. This would be a general motivational fridge magnet that I will be using. You can also replace this with the name you want and make it a customized gift. You can also place a peg or a pin here to hold your photographs or notes and use it as a good note holder on your fridge. This is a very quick project that I could wind up in very less time. I hope you like this project and I was of some inspiration to you, and it brought in some ideas for you to make some cute funky fridge magnets either for yourself or to gift someone. That's it for now. You can see the close-up images of the finished project here. I really liked how quick and easy it was to make this easy and funky home decor. I hope you will give it a try and will also experiment with the simple supplies lying around your house to make some easy and quick gifts. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you liked this video, and if you like it, please consider subscribing to my channel and tap on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, do follow me on my social media where I share my craft, card making and other projects with you. The links are given in the description box below. Thank you.